Pakistanis are such like emotional people. They're so loving, and they either love you or they hate you. I hope they stay loving me. 10 years from the age of 20 to 30 living there, and living in quite a conservative Pakistani family, joint family household with my ex-husband's sisters and their husbands and their children and his father, and seeing arranged marriages, long-term ones that were, actually very happy and successful, and seeing them take place, at the beginning, and slightly having my kind of preconceptions challenged by that, and coming back from Pakistan with a different view of arranged marriage, and in particular the kind of version of it that's sort of slightly more assisted than arranged, where it's pretty much an introduction of suitable candidates and then letting the couple get on with it.